Number 4. EufyCam S330. Looking to keep an eye on your property with some solar-powered SaaS? Well, look no further than the best solar power 4K security camera systems. These bad boys will give you top-notch surveillance with a side of witty charm. First up, we have the EufyCam 3. This camera is all about attention to detail, even in the dark. It's like having night vision on steroids. Plus, it's self-sustaining with its integrated solar panel. So as long as it gets a little sunlight, it'll keep going and going and going. But wait, there's more. Your data will be super secure with military-grade encryption. You'll have full control. And you can even expand the storage with a hard drive. Forget about those pesky monthly fees. And let's not forget about the star of the show, Bionic Mind AI. It's like having your own personal security guard that can recognize your loved ones from strangers. Talk about peace of mind. And the best part, you can control it all with just your voice using Alexa or the Google Assistant. Talk about convenient. So if you're looking for a smart, sassy, solar-powered security solution, look no further. These cameras have it all and then some. Get ready to feel like a tech-savvy secret agent in your own backyard. Still searching for the perfect best 4K security camera systems? Don't give up just yet. We have more coming your way. If this happens to be your first time here, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can stay updated when we release new videos. You won't be disappointed. Number